The WhatsApp you have on your phone is what we call WhatsApp Business, and the WhatsApp we're using here is called WhatsApp API. The big difference between those things are WhatsApp API allows us to do this with the software, to use a bot, to talk through a software, to sign conversations between people. That's what WhatsApp API allows with that. There's always a caveat on that. The caveat is we have 24 hours before the conversation is closed, and that's on WhatsApp side. So what that means is, let's say Dylan, he's the client now, and he messages us in 24 hours after the last message Dylan sent us, right? After this 24 hours after the last message Dylan sent us, the conversation window closes. That is policy from WhatsApp. It's not us, it's not Respond.io, it's WhatsApp. That's their policies. For a business to send a message after 24 hours, we need to send a pre-approved template